So I got another one for you here. It's a very exciting one as well. So it's called the MoneyPentry. So let's go see this one. How does it actually do? So you go straight onto Google, and then you tap on moneypentry.com, and then you go inside there, so you can actually see what you can make here. So this website is very cool. Free stuff, save money and money, so that's all money, so you come on to here. Welcome to MoneyPentry, simple solutions to earn money and save more money. So you can come here and search on this one and do this and that. So let's go see the free stuff. Who doesn't like free stuff, right? And then we can see what this actually does, Okay, so let's read a little bit here, right? So freebies, let's find you free stuff. One way to improve your financial life is to take advantage of these coupons, freebies, deals, and discount. Thankfully, there are a lot of different sources you can use to find coupons and freebies of all kinds. But sorting through all of them and finding the legitimate ones can be time-consuming and tiresome. Not to mention, sometimes you can become a victim of scammers disguising themselves as legit companies, giving away freebies while tangling you with lots of strings attached to what you get from them. That's why I created this section of MoneyPentry. You see, this is really good. So they actually created the stuff that they know that they're gonna benefit other people, So I believe that this is worldwide, but it's all up to you to actually check it out and be able to see what you can actually get on this website. So you can just come scroll it down here, coupon deals, freebies, and what 24 ways to get free plans for your gardens. Oh, sorry guys, I got a little bit of fever, man. I don't know, it's been holding me down, but I will not stop to be able to make you these videos so that you can make some money, guys, But let's go on and soldier on and make this money, bros. Money. Okay, there's some 25 ways to get free address label mailed to you. Wow, that's great. You see, places where to get free newspapers for packing, cleaning windows, and reading. You see, these are great. 31 best free online movie streaming sites to watch free movies. Have you ever heard of something like that? Free movies. Okay, let's see this one. What does it actually does? Okay. I think this is just an ad right now. Okay, I'm sure you can actually see. So you're going to find the stuff and get there and be able to see what you can find out there. So let's go into saving some money. You come on to here and see the stuff that you can save money from. Wi-Fi deals, action near me, money savers. It's 7 ways to watch AMC without cable legally. Wow. 9 legit way to watch. So you just come here, man, and click online earnings. See here. Money give, money save, auction near me, Wi-Fi deals, the home of SA's best rate. Only 3 minutes and start making the change of financial freedom. Results for online earnings. Best surveys app to make money in 2021 that pay cash and gifts. So come on to here, man, and start making money, you know. Start making money, yo. Hey guys, I'm suffering. The fever got me, has gotten me. Okay, so let's see how you actually earn this money. Okay, and it's the same way. You come here, able to get onto here, you study which one you want to get onto it, and get up to $5, 10 cash, you know. So learn this stuff, guys. You see, 40 best side jobs for nurses to make extra money. Cash kick review, real legit paid service sites or a scam. Let's see. Study soap reviews, scam or legit ways to make money, taking notes. You see, there's a lot. So guys, it's all up to you to actually follow this and be able to start making some money on this. So that's it for me, and I will see you on the next one. And thanks for watching, man. Please subscribe and leave a comment if there's anything you'd like me to improve on, and there's anything you'd like me to look up for you, I will do that. And thank you. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao ciao.